So my name is Dennis Klein. I'm a creative producer at 250K, where we create anything a client would like to have for the festival industry. So it can start with a stage design, video content, show design, closing shows, opening shows, basically everything from start to finish. Yeah, so currently we're working on 2 projects for ISY. So first off is the collaboration with Armin. So he has created a custom audio setup to do the countdown from 10 to 0, as well as in Chinese as in English. On the other side, we're working on the ISY closing show. We're going to basically do a 10-minute closing show that's going to tell the story of ISY with lots of firework, video, laser, lighting to make the best New Year's Eve we can.
My name is Koen van Elden from The Art of Light. I'm a lighting programmer. I'm currently working on the end show of ISY Festival. We're adding lighting stuff on every audio that we hear and making the stage bigger and bigger. We got the audio from the end show and 250K has made a show script for it about all the markers we have, what's going to happen and when it's going to happen.
So where we're going to do the countdown and build up towards the really big New Year's Eve moment. Also what I've experienced so far is that what they can do is really amazing. And definitely, I think the best in Asia for sure.